Howdy everyone, this is Graham Platinum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we've just walked into the lobby at the Residences La Colombe, and that's the lobby door, the valet. We got our car parked by the valet, and this is the concierge desk. I've already met the concierge. He's already helped me, and now he's helping somebody else. But you would walk in, and then the concierge would greet you, help you as you needed. But they also provide a nice, security feature. This is a really pretty entrance. It's a gorgeous lobby. It's just kind of a gathering area here. That's mostly the first floor for this. The main amenities of the building are on the 10th floor. By the way, the mailroom is right over there too. So it looks like this. And then I've got something really special, so I want to show you. So I'm walking past the leasing offices, by the way, are over there. And keep walking over here. And then now we're going to go through here, and I want you to see this really fun, amazing, actually, art hallway. They put modern art here. It's super, super fun that's here. I love what they did, and they've just actually recently changed this. So they've got some really pretty modern art that's here. It looks like a museum. I mean, it's just gorgeous. I love the look and feel. Here's some really pretty modern art that's here. Just really, really nice. I love this. This is actually a really, really cool artist. The artist is Floyd Newsom Jr. Very, very nice. So anyway, that's what it looks like here in this deal, in this hallway. We're now going to go outside, and we're going to go check out a really cool feature that's here. There's actually a hotel here, and there's a bar. So the bar, we're going to look at that and see that. Let's go do that right now. If you have any questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.